So if you do any kind of garden, you have flower beds, greenhouses, anywhere that you want to keep the weeds down, this is a great solution. This is from Gotgelif. This is a 6-foot by 300-foot heavy-duty landscape fabric. So this is going to put down on your ground, and it's going to keep the weeds from coming through. Normally what you'll do, you'll put this down, and then you put either stone, bark, or rocks on top of it, something like that to kind of make a nice ground cover. This has a geotextile weed barrier. It comes with 60 of these little fellas. These are little pegs, so you can kind of peg it down to keep it from being moved. And also has printed cut lines. You can see there's some green lines on here, so it'll let you do nice straight cuts. You don't have to do a lot of measuring. These are great for ground cover, pro garden beds, driveways, greenhouses, pretty much anywhere you want to keep weeds down. This is a solution for it. So let me unroll this for you. And I'm just going to cut this with some scissors. You can use a knife, whatever you want. I don't need a very wide piece, so I'm just going to cut off the piece I want, and I saved the leftover for another section. So this is the first area we're going to do. You can see we have a little fence right here. We're going to clear this out, take everything out. This is where we plant tomatoes. We get weeds here every year. We actually have a bunch of different areas we're going to do, but we'll start with this one because this one's the easiest one to do. Clear it out, and we'll put it down and check it out. So there you go. That's the very first piece. And we'll probably come back later. We'll put some nice bark on here. Let me put the fence back. So here's the first part installed. And I'm going to come back later and I'm going to put down some nice bark. And then we'll poke little holes for each tomato. And that'll keep the weeds down, make it a whole lot nicer. And like I said, once I put the bark down, it's going to look way, way better. So that's the Gotgelif 6x300 heavy duty landscaping fabric. Definitely a great choice. Like I said, a great way to keep down weeds, and it's going to make it look a lot better, especially if you do a lot of gardening. You want a really professional looking garden bed or flower bed, put this down before you put down your garden bed or your flowers. Check them out.